Okay, today we shall talk about traveling. So, I am going to start the conversation by asking Umid. Umid, you tell us, do you like to travel?
Yes, I love travel too much. I
Okay,
love traveling to
where do you like to travel? In hilly area or in the sea area, sea beach, etc.?
travel in the hill areas, but sometimes in the occasional in the meantime in the springtime or in the ends of the time of the other. I love to travel in the seashore, but I mainly like to travel in the hill areas. But sea bath is also enjoyable and much pleasurable to enjoy.
So you prefer to travel in the hill area, but you also like to travel in sea area, right?
Y- Yes.
If you ask me, then I will say that I like to travel in the hill areas most. I also like sea, but I prefer to travel to the hills. So now you tell me, with whom do you like to travel most? With your friends or with your family?
Yes. I always love to travel with my friends, mainly with my friends. But sometimes my near and dear ones should be along with us. And mainly with the friends I can enjoy very much, but family cannot be ignorable. That's why sometimes we should join them with me. That's why I love
Okay.
to travel with my friends and with my families.
Okay, it is same with me. I also like to travel with my friends, but sometimes I also travel with my family. Now you tell us, how often do you go to travel in a year? How often do you go to travel in a year?
Mainly, I travel to another place like hill areas or local hill areas or the fountain areas. Sometimes several times, but during this corona pandemic, I lost the opportunity, but I have to stay at home. That's why I can't go other side, outside of my home. And in the previous years, I went many places in many hill areas, just like Darjeeling, and and the near places of Darjeeling. And I went Jharkhand, where the fountain is situated, Moti Jharna. You heard the name.
Okay.
Uh,
So
that's.
I am asking, how many times do you go to travel in a year?
Oh, I already told that there is no definite schedule to plan, but several times I went, but particularly it may be 5 or 6 times in a year.
5 or 6
But
times. That's
before years is very previous year is very pathetic to us. That's why I can't enjoy the traveling. But I went Devghar during this pandemic situation at December. But I enjoyed very much, and I enjoyed
okay.
very much.
For the last time, where did you
I
go?
went Devghar, Devghar
Deoghar.
and Trikut Pahar.
Okay,
Trikut
okay.
Pahar and Devghar.
Okay, so can you tell us the experience of that traveling?
Yes, I went Trikut Pahad last December, and I enjoyed very much. There was a ropeway to climb to reach the upper portion of the rock hill, and in before the 3 years ago I had gone to Trikut Pahar, and this time I I reached the topmost at the topmost level of Trikut Pahar. But this time I have to go by the rock way. On 12th January 2019 or 18, 2018 or 19, it may be 19 or 2018, but this time I went by walking. On foot, I went the topmost of the Trikut Pahar, and this time I went the topmost by rock climbing ropeway, and during this time I enjoyed very much. There was a calmness of nature, and I tried the previous time. I tried very much, but we are all tired to climb the topmost of the Pahad, and there are very natural scene. I enjoyed that very much, and in the Devghar temple, we started our journey with our peace of mind, and the door of the Devghar gate temple was closed. That's why we are disappointed. And but the other temples door was still open, and that's why we moved forward them, and then we became very happy to 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 be a devotee of Parvati Ma and the restaurants, and I enjoyed very much. That's all.
Okay. Now I'm going to ask you another question. As you said just now that as it is the time of Corona pandemic, that is why your traveling has been hampered, right? So when the situation will be a little bit good, when the situation will be normal, then where would you like to travel?
My dream place is Kedarnath, and love to go. But I want to go Gangtok, mainly the hill areas. Before After the Corona pandemic, if Corona pandemic situation is over, then I love to go Gangtok, and after that I prefer to go Kedarnath.
Okay. So you said that your dream place is Kedarnath. So
Yes.
why is the place is your dream place? Why is Kedarnath your dream place?
We know that I am a devotee of Lord Shiva. We
Okay.
all are mainly we are all the devotees of Lord Shiva, and the Kedarnath is situated in the Himachal Pradesh, and and I already mentioned that my favorite place is hill areas in the with the cold situation. I never went, but I never get opportunity to. I never get opportunity to see the such devoted place. That's why, and it is situated in the lap of the Himalaya Parvats. That's why my dream place is Kedarnath.
Okay. Last question. Can you name some places, some local places where we can visit after the corona situation is over? Some beautiful places where we can visit.
Yes, there are the lots of places we can visit, such as the historical place like Hajar Duwari, and sanctuaries can be added, like Bethua Dowry and Bolpur Sanctuary, and Bolpur Museum, Bolpur Santiniketan, etc. And after the situation is after Corona pandemic will over, we can add a little more distance, Duars, Jaldapara in the north portion of West Bengal, and in the south portion we can visit Purulia's Ajodhya Pahad, and there are the lots of things we have to see, we have to learn from the places.
Okay. So now, do you want to ask anything to me regarding traveling?
Yes, I have a many questions to ask you.
Okay.
That first question is, what is your dream place?
What is your dream place? I have not thought about it, but I want to go to Manali. I want to go to Ladakh at least once in my life. And I also want to visit the South India. There are lot of places to visit in South India. Okay, now next.
Who will be your partner in this journey?
As of now, I want to go with my friends.
Yes, I have one question. Do you want to a devoted place?
Devoted
Do
place.
you want to devoted place means sacred place.
I definitely want to go to the sacred places, and I also like visiting just the places which are not called sacred places, like Manali, like Digha, like Darjeeling. So I love both the sacred places as well as the visiting, just normal visiting places.
Have you ever visited to the sacred place? And what was your experience during this sacred place?
Okay, I have visited Deoghar, I have visited Mayapur.
What was your experience regarding this
Well,
travel? Regarding this
the experience was very good. When I was in my D.Ed college, I went to Deoghar and I stayed there for 3 days. It was a very enjoyable experience. And before the pandemic, in 2019, we went to Mayapur with my friends. We also enjoyed there very much. We stayed there for 4 days, and it was a very enjoyable experience.
Yes, that's good. And last question: if you get opportunity to go abroad, then which place you should choose?
Well, if I get the opportunity to go to abroad, I will choose to go to Switzerland. Then I would like to go to Paris. I would like to go to Bangkok. I would like to go to Andaman. Andaman is in our country, but I at least want to go to there once in my life.
And I add one more question to you, that should we visit abroad, or we should we visit our in mainly in India's? What is your answer?
If you have the opportunity, if you have the money, then you can go to abroad. But I think in India there are many places, there are many beautiful places. So I think we should explore our country first. If the country is totally explored, then you can choose to go to abroad. If you have money, if you have time, if you have friends, etc.
Yes, that's my point. Okay, that's enough to you. You can ask Rocky
Okay, so
and Joanna.
now I am going to ask the same questions to Rocky. Rocky, do you like to travel? And if you like, so what kind of places do you like to travel? Is it hilly area? Is it sea area? Where do you like to travel?
Actually, I like both the places, but I have visited the hilly areas. Now I want to visit the sea.
Okay, now next question. With whom do you like to travel most? With your friends or with your families? And why?
Uh, I'll have to. I'll have to travel with both my friends and family. There are different experience while you are traveling with your friends, and another experience while you are traveling with your family. So I enjoy both in their way.
So now next question I am going to ask you, how many times or how often do you visit in a year?
Um, One place is permanent in a year. That is a Bolpur Mela or Bolpur Fair, Santaniketan.
Okay.
But other things are not certain. What I visit,
Okay. Where did you visit for the last time?
I visited Motijil Park last time.
Okay, Motijhil Park. So now you tell us the experience of that traveling.
Uh, it was very good. The place was full of trees. I enjoyed the nature. There were my family members and friends too. So I enjoyed the scenic beauty and the natural atmosphere. What we really miss in town or urban areas. So I enjoyed that very much.
So now next question is that when the corona pandemic situation is over, where would you like to travel?
Uh, uh, Me and my friends have a plan to visit Digha. If or sorry, after the pandemic is over.
Okay, it's good. Digha. And
I have never seen sea.
have you ever been to Digha?
No.
Okay. Okay, now tell us what is your dream place? The question is where do you want to travel at least once in your life?
I want to visit Lakshadweep.
Lakshadweep. Okay.
Yes.
So what is the speciality of that place? Why do you want to go there?
I have read about this island. It is a coral island. It is full of natural phenomena. So I want to visit the place, and it is estimated that in upcoming 15 or 20 years, the Lakshadweep would be submerged in the sea. So you cannot go to there when it is in the when it would be submerged in the sea. So I want to visit that place.
I think people should go to travel at least once in a year. What do you think? Is it right or wrong? And if you think it is right, then why is traveling necessary in our life?
It is necessary to travel once in a year to remove the monotony of life. Uh,
Okay.
to change the taste of the life, we should travel once in a year.
Right, good. Do you like natural places or do you like holy places?
I would prefer natural places.
Natural places. If you get a chance to visit to abroad, which country would you like to visit?
I would like to visit Switzerland.
Amit was asking me which country I would like to visit if I go to abroad. I forgot to mention the name of another country. Uh, it is um, Mysore or I can
Egypt.
Egypt. Okay, yes, it is Egypt. I want to visit also. I want to visit the pyramid. I want to see the mummies. I want to see River Nile. It is also a dream place of me.
KD, then you should start to prepare to be fit. If because if mommy starts to chase you, then you have to run faster than the mommies.
Okay, Jharna Rudro, can you listen us?
Sir, is not clear your speech. My network is problem.
Oh. So you tell us, do you like to travel?
Yes, sir.
If you like traveling, which places do you like to travel most? Is it hilly areas or is it sea areas?
Hill or sea, both areas I like. It is not choice.
Okay, so you like both hill and um, sea. Okay, Rocky, you can
Yes,
leave.
sir.
So now you tell us, with whom do you like to travel most? With your friends or with your family?
Uh, Obviously, I like with my family, and then I um, with my friends
Hmm.
because I love much to love them with my family.
Okay, so you prefer to visit with your family and you also like to travel with your friends. But first of all, you like to travel
I
with your
preferred
family.
with my families because I feel uh, comfortable
Hmm.
when I journey. I feel the comfortable. Friends are not comfortable.
Okay, so tell us, where did you go to travel for the last time?
Local areas, Mukutmanipur.
Mukutmanipur, okay. So, can you tell us the experience of your traveling to Mukutmanipur?
Yes. Uh, a short journey,
Hmm.
but enjoy much. Uh,
Okay, so you went to Mukutmanipur for the last time and you enjoyed there very much, right? So now
yes,
tell
sir.
us, after the corona pandemic is over, where would you like to visit?
First I visit uh, obviously Vrindavan, and
Brindavan.
then I go
So do you
uh,
like holy places or natural places to visit?
uh, both places.
Both places.
And nature and holy both places I like. Prefer. It is
Hmm.
not choice. Just is naturally live. Naturally, nature is love it.
Hmm. So what is your dream
Uh,
place? Where do you want to travel at least once in your life?
Abroad style. Uh, my fate, but it is my dream to go to Paris.
Paris. Okay, so Paris is your dream place. So why is Paris your dream place? Why do you want to go there?
Paris is world best festival areas and stylish and modernist and everything is there is it's just etc.
Okay, now the next question. What is the mode of transport that you like? Is it bus or is it train? And why?
Different city and different experience. So both journey are
So you like both. You like bus journey, you also like train journey, right?
yes, yes.
So now the next question is, what do you think, which season is more favorable for traveling?
Yeah. Obviously, winter. Then I choose the autumn.
Winter and
October,
autumn. Yes, winter. You said
yes.
that winter and autumn is the most favorable season. Now next question, you have to tell the names of the places that you have already visited. Which places you have already visited?
Okay, I did with my childhood, with my friends, Sitawat, Faraka, Mayapur, Navadip,
Hmm.
and Professor Tarapit. Then our married life, I visited Darjeeling, Puri, Digha, and local areas, many local areas.
So you have visited a lot of places, I think.
Yes,
Okay, now the next question is, have you any wish to go to abroad for traveling? Do you want to go to abroad for traveling?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you want to go to travel, which country it is?
Switzerland.
You want to go to Switzerland for traveling. Now the next question is, you are from Purulia, right?
Sir, repeat this question.
Are you from Purulia?
No.
Which district?
I'm
Bankura. Is it Bankura?
Bankura.
Okay, so can you
Yes.
can you name some places of Bankura where we can go for visiting, where we can go for traveling?
Yes, sir. I'm to Susunia.
Susunia.
Yes.
Okay, I think it is enough for today. I am going to end the conversation here.
Thank you, sir. Welcome.
Okay, thank you
Next day.
everyone for joining.